Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I'm going to do a little de-chroming on the Tacoma. Now, I'm just doing a little on here. I'm not going to change the wheels out just yet or the lug nuts, which will still have the chrome on them. But this is just an emblem overlay kit you can get from Toyota. You can also get these aftermarket. You can get them both on eBay and Amazon, and I'll put links under the video in the description. Um, I'm just going to show you how I put these on, how I prep the chrome emblems, and how these overlays attach. Of course, they have the red double stick all-weather tape already on them. They've made these a little easier this time. They've extended it out past, so you can pull it all off at the same time. That's probably to help Toyota, because I'm pretty sure Toyota installs these on a lot of trucks, especially with the XP package and all those different packages you pay for on all their vehicles. But this is the cheaper way to do it. Just do it yourself. And, let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just clean them with some alcohol to get, there's a lot of pollen around. I'm going to clean them with this in a microfiber. Then I'm going to put some gloves on, and I'm going to use a 3M Adhesion Promoter. Basically what this does is it preps the surface and makes it, I'm not going to say tacky, but gives it a nice surface for that all-weather tape to adhere to. And I'll put a link to this under the video in the description as well. So let's get to it. This is 90% alcohol and just a microfiber. Just gonna do a little once over, get all that pollen off. Now I never know when I'm going to, maybe put that. They have one of these Toyota emblems that's actually an LED light, and it plugs in, and it's supposed to be pretty easy. Maybe I'll do one of those one day just for fun. It'd be neat to have daytime running lights and that come on at the same time. Now you want to test fit these before you put them on. Make sure you have the right one for the right place, and make sure they sent you the right kit. You never know. They all look the same, but you want to make sure that it's squared away before you start opening the package and get it, stuck on there wrong or whatever. We're going to start with this one right here. So here we have our emblem overlay. I'm going to make sure that fits. It does. Okay. I'm going to use some of this, and I'm just going to go over it like that. I'm going to go ahead and do the others on this side. Another thing that really helps is having this roller, so when you put it on there, you can roll it out. So let's do that. I'm going to pull this off, this little red backing. These go on really good. The aftermarket ones fit good too. The Toyotas, you can just definitely tell that they've gone through a few tests. Look at that. There you go. And I've never had a problem with these coming off in the car wash or anything like that. Just make sure your outside temperature is about 70 degrees. Everything's cleaned. You can just use 90% alcohol. I like the Adhesion Promoter. I've had good luck with it. So, just make sure it's really clean, especially if you're putting this on a car that's already been rained on and gotten really dirty. Yeah, just make sure you clean those chrome things, and you won't have a problem. I didn't on the Tundra, and I installed them at about 1,500 miles, I think. And, so, and they've been on for 4 years. So, again, you just peel this off the back. These are You know, in 4 years, they've really refined how these look and how they go on. I put the Toyota ones on the Tundra. I think it's a mix of Toyota ones and the Toyota ones and the aftermarket ones from Amazon or eBay, wherever I got them. And yeah, they work good. Nice. All right, let's do this one. That'll stick on really good. Okay, let's do this one. We do test fit. Yep, looks like it fits fine. Be very careful not to get this on your paint. If you do, clean it up immediately. Okay, now we're going to pull this off. It just comes right off like that. This really gives them great coverage. They've really perfected these at Toyota. You could go with gloss. If you can find these in gloss, they would look good too. I'm sure Toyota will charge you a lot of money for those. Look at that. That looks good. All right. I'm going to go ahead and knock out the rest, and then we'll do do some footage walking around. Okay. Here's the number I got. Right there. So let's go check out the others. So as you can see, they already changed the look of the truck. Get rid of that chrome. Even with the silver wheels, I think it looks better. Oh yeah. Let's walk around the front. With the smoke headlights, and the front end looks good. Look at that. Let's just walk around here. Yeah. They look good. Oh yeah. That looks good. So folks, like I said, when you're going to do these emblem overlays, just make sure you clean up the chrome really good. You can get these on eBay, on Amazon. I'll put links under the video in the description. They changed the look of the truck. If I added black wheels, it would look awesome. So this is what we got right now. It's a new mod for me. I did it on the Tundra. I wish they made overlays for all vehicles, but Toyota's the biggest. And or largest manufacturer that you can really get emblem overlays for. So they look good. It's an easy mod. Just take your time, clean the emblems up, and you'll be all set. Check under the video for links. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Amazon's here. So got the Amazon package. Got my overlays installed. They look great. You know, like I said, easy mod. if you have chrome emblems and you don't like them, do this. It's always reversible. You can always peel them off, clean up the emblem with some alcohol, and you're good to go. But I leave these. They're weatherproof. They don't come off in the car wash. Mine never have. Check out the links under the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And, you know, you just wait. I got more videos coming on this Tacoma. Possibly some on the Tundra. You know, if somebody sends me something, or if, you know, I don't know. I've got it so perfect now. You know, if somebody were to offer me some money, I might even sell it. Pick up something else to start modding. Maybe another Tundra. Maybe a 4Runner. Who knows? We'll see. A lot of changes going on this year. So I appreciate you watching. Check out my channel and all the videos. Like, share, and subscribe. I already said that a few times. And I will see you next time. See ya.